Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Vivo T1 Pro and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's find the section sound and vibration. Now let's scroll down in order to find this section and you can see that we can change the ringtone for the calls, for the phone basically, notifications and the alarms. Of course I'll show you how to do it using the phone ringtone, and after entering this section we've got the system ringtones from which we can choose, so they are pre-installed ones. We can custom the ringtone, which simply means that after entering we will be transferred to our own files. So if you will have any, for example, downloaded from the internet, and if they will be compatible, it is quite important, they will appear right here and you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. And here you can also customize the vibration effect up to you if you want to. Alright, so basically in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, we have to simply tap on it. And maybe let me volume it up a little bit so you can hear it. This is how you can check all of those ringtones. You can find which one you like the most. And after finding it, just make sure that it is marked and simply go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.